Mayan.
And relax your mind.
Ano yan?
So I'm gonna be enough. Ano? Until the end of time. Kamusta ang bunso ko? Kamusta? Okay ka lang? Carry pa? Carry pa? Carry. Your weary heart and relax your mind, 'cause I'm gonna be enough until the end of judgment. Basta kami. Alam mo yan.
Thank you. Pang naman ako. Dito lang din si Kuya.
Oo.
Kikinig.
Ay, nako.
Teka.
Pamshi.
Tingnan mo tatawagin pa ulit.
You're actually extremely light, to be fair. No, please don't do that. But Tony.
Gaan ko lang kaya, I'm as twins heavier.
Sa tingin ko.
Oo, talaga.
Really?
So wait, thing. I think, si Paco, anong weight ni Paco?
Paco's heavier than me. Not anymore, probably.
120, 124, 125.
I was 120. No, 118.
Ikaw?
Ako.
Ako, 150, 155.
What are you
Pero,
now?
150, pero that was lean 150.
Oh, now it's...
It's fatty.
You're not fat at all.
Fatter,
The
ratio.
other ratio.
Say goodbye
Oh, eh.
to you and you and you.
What day is it today? Wednesday.
You're so long.
22.
Bilis na ng araw, ah.
Oo.
Tomorrow's a Thursday.
My birthday.
3.
3? 4?
2.
2 weeks?
So, if safe ka next week, for sure na.
Oh my
For
gosh.
sure.
I hope I
If you're safe this weekend, for sure you get to spend, if may PBB pa.
Wow, I would love to have my 21st
Grabe,
birthday.
inubos talaga natin yung...
But I need some strippers. Not one, many.
Strippers.
Bakit?
Bakit?
Because then I won't be able to see their hobby, so red.
Bakit? Kilala mo ba?
It was like...
Anne?
Oh,
Sino pa?
You're nice, sweetie.
Hmm?
You're nice. My birthday present, and you take it away from me.
It's Anne, sorry.
Oh. It's Anne, sorry. Tapos na? Siya, boy?
Ilalim.
Ano?
Diba? Mga nominated, laging may ginagawa.
Oo.
Oo.
Eh ako lagi yung ginawa.
Meaning?
Bata! Meron
Oo.
pang Thursday, Friday.
I love it. Aww.
Unggoy ko yun.
Tintin.
Unggoy!
Unggoy OA.
Were you the one who walked in on Carlo in that little bunch toilet? When he was in the toilet? Who did? Cindy? Cindy?
Kylo was thinking, dati sa looban pag when I go to the bathroom, hand ko talaga yung towel ko, shorts ko.
Ako din.
Well, yes. Well, it's the five of us again.
Cindy
Si Tigel, nag-aano ng door dun sa CR.
Wow, sino yan? Ating housemate.
Bigoy. Bigoy yan.
Wait, who's
Bigoy, Bigoy.
Ay, oh, Bigoy.
Bigoy ba yun?
Diba? Sitin ka na nipusig mo na nito kaninong umaga.
Ha?
Kalimutan na namin.
Sino ko, taba. Ulit.
Daming pimples.
Mataba si Bigoy?
Oo. Tabay.
Matulog na ako.
Hindi.
Matulog na ako.
Feel lang niya, macho siya.
Malaki puwet.
Good for underwear model.
Puwet lang.
Ganda ng t-shirt natin, ah. Mahalin niya.
Mahalin?
Mamahalin.
Expensive.
Mamahalin is expensive.
Bakit, Lynn?
Or mahal to. Ganyan. Pwede na.
Bakit, Lynn?
It's to make action. Parang ganyan. Diba? I don't know, I can't describe. Hindi ko alam. Kanina pa yun, ang ingay-ingay eh.
Takbo. Kanina sabi mo may nananakit daw sa kanya.
Can you cut it pa a little?
Sure. Why do you want me to put it?
Sira yung damit mo, Denise.
No long.
Magawa sa buhay. Baliwan.
No, it's not.
Oh, that's what you can say. Yeah, you got your...
Ano yari pa mo?
Ano?
Bakit ako ganito?
Mahirap kausapin at di pa namamansin.
Lower? Gusto ka?
Konti.
Nasaktan. Ngunit iba rin na basta't nalaman mo na.
Bukas.
Mahal ka niya.
Nandito bola.
Parang siya talaga yung...
Sumagot ka naman wag ewan.
Di ba sinulid yan? Di ba yun?
Sinulid.
What's the other song?
Parang siya talaga.
Sir, what's the other song?
Kanina, no?
Merong isa. Sa puso ko.
On the sides, I'm gonna stitch white stitches.
Nagkaka-stitch ka ba?
Ay, naku.
That was recording?
Slater? Oo. Like, parang it's a question.
Like,
Hello?
an angry Slater? Soft Slater? Like, Slater? Diba?
Hindi, isa lang yun.
Okay.
Yeah, I think we...
Amo?
Yes, he's here. We shall say that for the angry heaven.
May ginagawa
We are
ako
mad
eh.
right now.
Bago pumasok dito.
Ah, talaga?
Minsan si Kuya tripan ko rin niya.
design?
Slater, bukas ko ng fashion week.
Aso.
It's like that.
Pagdating kumusta?
Ako na this
Ayun,
morning.
mga pinsan ko and we used to play with this one program where you type it and they would say it. Back in, you know, like we were on 7, we were typing stupid.
Alam mo, ang Mac na laptop pwede. If, di ba, may mga disabled them. For example, I don't have hands. I just talk to my laptop and the laptop talks back.
Meron?
Meron ang Mac yun. Ay, sorry.
Tomorrow?
Hey.
Napapansin mo pa rin yun. Minsan, I still keep looking at that.
Ako din. I always look where they're looking at.
Yeah, like, nowadays, kasi, ano na lang tayo, 10 na lang tayo. So, parang focus talaga tayo. Imagine if 4 na lang kayo.
Oh my God.
A million, cameras.
10 Saturday. Woohoo!
We'll see you guys in a couple weeks.
Yeah, sure.